Happy Sunday, fun day, folks. It's Dave, the Chicago Hubby, and I'm here today. We're going to do another outdoor video. I'm going to be grilling something for today. I'm going to grill some lovely watermelon. I've never in my entire life grilled watermelon, nor have had grilled watermelon. So I'm not sure. It could go really good, it could go really bad. So we'll find out. I saw it on Instagram and it looked really good. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's Chicago_Hubby. See some more pictures of the aftermath, I guess we'll call it. So I will get this going. So what I did was I cut a half of a smaller watermelon, just in case we didn't like it, to be honest. So I got me 3, 6, 7 wedges. I cut them into wedges like that, and I mixed together a half cup of brown sugar and a tablespoon of cumin, and we're going to coat that on both sides of the watermelon, like so. Get it nice and coated like that. Make sure you guys subscribe to the video and hit thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. I hope we had a nice 4th of July weekend. We didn't really do much this weekend because, of course, you know, the thing. Alright, so I'm just going to rub these in here. Like so. It's all I can smell is the cumin in this mixture. Like it's really strong. So we'll see what happens with that. I saw another recipe that called for barbecue sauce as well as jerk sauce. I thought I would try this one first. If I do like me some jerk and some barbecue sauce. You should comment below if you try either of those. Let me know how it goes. Okay, I guess it's pretty coated, so I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. I guess, yeah. Alright. And my hands were washed, just so everyone knows, in case you're judging. And it's okay if you are. Alright. Just about done here. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, okay. Oops. Alright, so this amount of mix worked out perfect. It covered both sides. Alright, it's a little messy, kind of gross, not gonna lie. So, I don't know if you can see it, but if you can't see it, you'll be able to see it on where? Oh yeah, Instagram. Chicago_Hubby. Alright, looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and get the grill started up, and we'll get these going. I will see you outside in just a few minutes. Alright, I made it outside. Let's get this watermelon grilling. So we preheated it at about a medium temperature. Wiped it all down the best we could. And transferred that to a cookie tray. And here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, ew. Not gonna work. That's alright though. I thought it'd be fancy, I guess not. Kind of messy. Alright. Spent about 2 or 3 minutes on each side, so I'm going to close it down for a few minutes and check back on it shortly. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Let's turn these over and see what they look like. Ooh. Ooh, those grill marks. Cameraman, get those gorgeous grill marks. Look at that. Ooh, that smells good. Maybe we can do a little bit longer, but those are nice marks. Ooh. This one is really being picky. This one's kind of dead to me. Alright, there we go. Look at that, that's beautiful. Alright, so we'll do another 2 or 3 minutes and then I'll check back with you. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes again. Let's see what the other side looks like. Whoa, okay. Alright. Looking good. Looking sassy. Maybe a tongue isn't what you use for this. I don't really know what you use.
Like the fork?
Maybe a fork. Stick a fork in it. Here's the one I really had a problem with. Alright, well there we go. This is, it smells, here, smell it. It smells really good, you guys. Really, really good. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in the house. I'm gonna plate it up, give it a sample, and I'll let you know how it goes. Make sure you do the important things. Subscribe, thumbs up, all that kind of stuff. And Instagram, Chicago_Hubby. And I'll see you next week.